Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I've held a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I've been taking a series of management exams in my life, and that's why I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody in the community get certified. A few of my certifications include SHRM and a certification from PMI. Okay guys, so today's video is dedicated to the SHRM folks for the simple fact that if you're taking the test in the winter session, then you have till 15th of February 2021 to take your exam and get certified. So I wanted to share the one tip that really helped me get certified. It's really two tips, but they tie into each other, so I'm calling it one tip. And here we go guys, no surprises. Study in random order. That's really the best tip I have. So what I mean by that is that if you are studying workplace or organization, just take a random topic from a different competency. Take a random topic from leadership or business or interpersonal and just read that. It's going to reinforce and cement your knowledge in a way that you wouldn't believe. So this tip really helped me while I was studying, and I went in random order while studying. So I first went, from the first competency to the last in the learning management system, and then I went backwards. And my second tip, which really ties into the first one, is take quizzes that the learning management system offers in random order. So if you're studying, let's just say leadership, take any quiz from business or interpersonal or organization, and then look at your mistakes, go back, review that topic, and again, you would have cemented that knowledge. These are easy things and maybe even obvious, but they really helped me while I was studying, so I wanted to share it with everybody in the community. Once again, I hope that my videos and tips are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.